Hi folks, Modelling Mark here again. And this time we're going to assemble the Watts parallel motion. We're going to need 8 bars, beams, push rods, call them what you like, some studs and bolts, an axle, some spacers, a handful of nuts. The proper name for these are links. I should have known that. These are stamped out, and the stampings you can see are quite rough on the edges. So these are going to take quite a lot of work with the file to make nice and pretty, so we have a nice pretty looking machine because we've got to have a nice pretty looking beam engine at the end. But for the moment I don't need to worry about that. It won't affect the test assembly and operation. So to start with, take 2 of these links and assemble it onto this axle. Now these go on the beam like this. They're secured with a stud. Put one nut on the stud. Drop it through, and then the other nut goes on the other side. Okay, the next 2 links go here. Same procedure, one nut on the stud. That drops through, and this goes on the other end. Okay, now you can see these links are going to line up with the piston crosshead. Next job is to put another link on here. Now we can secure these links to the crosshead. And I'll repeat that on the other side. Now the spacer goes on here, followed by another link. So that's secured with another nut. Now the last bolt to go in is this thin-headed 5BA bolt. This goes in here with a spacer. And that goes up through the entablature bearing and secured with a nut. So I'll just repeat the same on the other side. Just like that. And now we have a parallel motion that moves up and down nicely. And sounds like something's just rubbing a tiny tad. I think these studs need shortening just a little with the file so they clear these bolts. But that and a bit of oil and we're good. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.